And it's not just the residents who are prepping for the impacts from this blizzard. City leaders all across Connecticut are working very hard to try to stay ahead of this thing and be prepared.
Yeah, joining us now on the phone is David Simpson, the Director of Public Works in the city of Waterbury. So first, David, let's talk about what's happening right now in your city and what you and your team are seeing so far. How's it going?
So considering the forecast and what is going, what we're receiving, we think everything's going as planned. We have our designated 80 trucks on the road. They've been on the road since about, all 80 have been on the road since about 8 o'clock. We're experiencing some slippery conditions, still dealing with some traffic issues. Hope people would still heed to the fact that they stay home for their safety and to keep the roads clear for us to do our jobs. But as far as I'm concerned, based on the forecast, everything's going well.
Yeah, it would be a really good idea for everyone who can stay home to stay home and stay off the roads. What do you want to tell essential workers in Waterbury who have to get to work in the morning?
So a couple of things. Number one, Mayor Paderewski had said that non-essential workers following the state of Connecticut do not have to come in. Essential workers, most of them are probably in now already. Those are more of our blue-collar staff that are plowing snow. We do have some folks assigned to handle telephone calls in the call center, and as needed, we have staff pick them up. If someone needs to come to work in the city for the city of Waterbury, we will transport staff as they need it.
All right, that's good. Yeah, and considering we had a massive snowstorm just a month ago, did that change anything for you this time? Did it make it more difficult or easier to plan?
No, I think, I've always said as we go through the early winter, Waterbury starts planning for inclement weather early in like August, September. It's just the volume of snow. So sure, there's 2 storms that are going to be, 18 inches plus, along with a lot of minimal snow. But it's been a while. It's probably been 4 or 5 years since we've seen this amount of snow. The cleanup afterwards is just going to take some time.
Yeah, absolutely. I know a lot of us have been saying, where are we going to put it all, especially in those parking lots. All right, thank you so much, David. We appreciate your time.
All right, have a good night.
Yeah, that was David Simpson with the Waterbury Director of Public Works with the Mayor's office in Waterbury. And for people living in the city, keep in mind a parking ban is in effect right now, as he did briefly mention.